Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we have another dedicated eye tutorial, and this one is using the Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. You guys know I used the Carnival XL Pro in the last festive tutorial that I did. And yeah, I feel like these dedicated eye tutorials are a lot more beneficial because you guys are actually seeing like detailed blending, you're seeing what I'm doing better. And yeah, y'all know from the previous video, I just really like these types of videos. So yeah, let's get into it. So today we're going to be doing a more Christmassy vibe type of video, which I'm really excited about. Because the greens in this palette are just out of this world. Do you guys see that? Like the greens? Whew! Insane, you guys, insane. I don't even know where to start, but we're just gonna jump right into it. That's what we're gonna do. First things first, we need to prime the eyelids as always using my P. Louise eyeshadow base. I bought this specific one from Shop Betty online. Tons of third-party resellers sell them now, so if you just type it in to Google, you'll get all your options. But I bought them from Shop Betty, and Shop Betty is quite reliable. Just gonna pat this eyeshadow base in. This is the shade Rumor 2. So Rumor 2 is like the universal shade, or so-called the universal shade. I want to do like a dark green, I like dark blue greeny vibe. So I'm gonna go in with the deep, which is this like navy blue. Okay, so taking the deep, and I'm just gonna pack this. Whoa, I need to put my fan on. Y'all see the situation? We need the fan. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and just pack on this shade. Also blend it at the same time. So you guys probably couldn't hear the fan in the previous video, but you may hear it now. So once again, I do apologize if you can. It's on a higher speed. Okay, so once that is done, by the way, this is a Morphe M456 brush. Next, I'm gonna go in. This is from the Morphe James Charles collection. Honestly, you guys, this brush set is the bomb. Okay, I'm gonna take Tropics, which is this shade right here, this green. And I am going to blend this green color on top of the blue. It is so pigmented. Ooh, we have another peacock moment vibe going on here. Okay, for now, you know, it may not stay this way. Also gonna take that green on the lower lash. This color doesn't have to be diffused, it can be quite intense. So you want to go from the darkest color and work your way and like blow everything out, you know? I hope my sound effects were really helpful in the last video, because wow, as I was editing that, I was just like, oh my god, these people are gonna think I'm crazy. Then we're gonna go in with Key Lime, which is this one right here. So this is like a yellowy green, and the other ecstasy shade in the other palette is like a green, you know. Gonna pick up key lime on a small blending brush. Just start blending out the edges. Honestly, these palettes, every time I use them, I'm just like, now I know why I love them so much. Like, they are honestly the bomb. Like, if you are a heavy makeup artist or makeup enthusiast that is heavy on your colorful eyeshadows, you can never have enough color though. Like, can you ever have enough color? I don't think so. Okay, I also have a wet wipe. Let's try with the wet wipe first. With the wet wipe, I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to go in with the micellar, because P. Louise said she didn't come to play. She didn't come to play. I'm just gonna use my Pond's micellar water. Whose child is that making a noise? You see, the micellar water is doing the thing. Then we're gonna take the wet wipe and just wipe off the excess residue. So you don't have to be precise with this, obviously. You can, you know, just clean it up roughly. Then I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base and coat it really well on my brush. And then I'm gonna cut this crease. And then you see how nice and crisp and clean it is? We like that. Okay, so before this dries, I'm just gonna go back in with that blue, make sure there are no harsh lines. Gotta make sure we have that blend going. Then I'm gonna take this shimmery green, which I think is absolutely beautiful. It's called Tahiti Green, which is this one right here, this shimmery color. And I'm gonna put this in the center of my lid. So blending in with that, the deep shade. Oh, this looks nice. Just packing that on. Gonna go back in with that shade I had the deep on. Make sure. You can even add more color if you want to make it look nice and pigmented. I like that so far. It's looking amazing. Then I'm gonna go in with another shade. I'm just looking for an eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna take this brush by Beauty by Zara, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Pearl, which is this beautiful shade right here. I don't have words to describe it, you guys, but I swatched it and it's so reflective and so stunning. It has like blue reflex in it. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you guys can see. It's super reflective. Like, you have to see this thing in person to really see its full potential, because it is freaking out of this world. But I'm gonna go ahead off of camera, put on these lashes called Bands. Bands make her dance. Dance maker dance from Eyelash Boutique. This is a new style that I purchased from them, so I'm gonna go ahead off of camera. Obviously I need to trim this and all of that stuff, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished eye. I'm also gonna do the rest of my makeup off of camera, and yeah. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. I went in with my gold luxe highlighter from my Stacey Marie Carnival XL Pro palette, and then I went in with MAC Plum lip liner, as well as the Powder Kiss liquid lip color in the shade Date Maker. So it's really pretty nude, and yeah you guys, this is what the finished look looks like. Absolutely stunning, if I do say so myself. So yeah, that is it for this look. I have to say it is so pretty, so stunning. The colors just look absolutely amazing. I do feel like this is quite a Christmassy makeup tutorial. By the way, these lashes, how like beautiful do they look with this look right now. Also, it was very sticky, so I didn't even put glue to like stick these lashes down. But if you are going to wear them for a full day, I would recommend putting some glue on. I'm obviously filming this at night, so I'm not going to keep this makeup on for much longer. But yeah, this style of lash is just so beautiful with this look. It's called Bands from Eyelash Boutique. So that is it for this look, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. Comment down below, let me know if you have, and if you would recreate this for Christmas. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day, every day, with and without makeup. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!